Welcome back to PyBites YouTube, and today a quick video on Hacktoberfest and how to open a pull request to contribute to open source. It's October again and it's all about open source, and we as PyBites want to help you to get to that goal. So the goal is to open 4 pull requests and contribute to open source. Good luck and hope this is helpful. It's October again, and that means it's Hacktoberfest. Long live open source. So let's try and get 4 pull requests in this month. And of course, as PyBites, we really want to help you with this. So in this video, I will show you quickly an example how to open a pull request against one of the repos we have on PyBites open source. So here under our PyBites open source organization, we have several interesting projects, and they all have the Hacktoberfest and Hacktoberfest 2021 labels enabled. So that means that if you contribute to those repositories, they will count towards your pull request goal. So for example, today actually in this video, I'm going to solve something that I hit with the YouTube infinite scroll. And the end-to-end test was failing because the Selenium scroll was not optimally implemented. So I just committed a fix and verified it worked, and I'm going to open a pull request against this repo. So I already ran this before to make a branch and check out that new branch, and I just committed the fix. And basically, instead of relying on send keys, which was not working with a lower resolution, with the resolution I'm recording this on, I'm going to find the last element that is on the page with the class name movie text subhead, and use the same action change from Selenium, from the WebDriver, and move to that element, which is a way more reliable way to do it, and which I just verified worked with both the 2500 pixel resolution I normally use, but also with the 1280 resolution I use for YouTube. So to test that one more time, let me just single out this test. You can use pytest -k to filter test on a substring, or regex even, I think. And now the scroll works, even on this lower resolution. All right, so I already committed it. So in my git remote -v, I have origin set to my fork and have upstream set to the original repo. So I'm going to push to my fork, which is origin, this new branch I created. And what's really nice is that you see the URL of the pull request. So I can click that. I can even mention the issue. And I can create the pull request. I can verify that the diff is correct, and it is. And I can assign a reviewer. And once the reviewer approves this pull request, so I'm here at the PyBites account, I can look at it, suggest changes, but I know this works. I just verified it. So I'm going to approve this pull request, and then I can merge it in as well. And now my pull request will merge into the main branch of the original repo. Let's look at the Hacktoberfest counter. And it's not yet there. What might have happened is that I just move this repo into the open source org because it was on my account before. And I just added the labels here. So it might need some time to sync up. But what should happen is that the total completed pull request, so the pull requests that have been accepted should go up by 1, because a pull request made against a repo that has these tags on, that should be sufficient for it to count. And we can see that in the Hacktoberfest frequently asked questions section. If you scroll down to rules, do pull requests have to be accepted merged? It says that it has to be in a repository with the Hacktoberfest topic merged, approved, or has the explicit Hacktoberfest accepted label. So it seems that you can do one of these and it should be enough. So mine was and approved and merged, and it was on a repo on Hacktoberfest. So in theory, that should show up. All right, I took a little break and I'm back on my profile, and now I see 2 in progress because I did some more things. But importantly, the one we submitted in this video is now in mature state. And what does that mean? If we go back to the frequently asked questions, we see under troubleshooting, why is my pull request in a maturing state on my profile? And in an effort to reduce spam and help maintainers, we've introduced a 2-week review period, because last year there were quite some spammy pull requests for people that just wanted to get 4 done or get a t-shirt, and there were not really pull requests, not valid ones, and it gave a lot of work for maintainers. So they put much better rules in place, and so there's a little bit of time we have to wait, but as long as they are having real code and are approved or merged, we should be good to go. Hope this was helpful. And remember, we have a PyBites open source org. So if you see anything interesting here, contributions are welcome. But of course, you can also search GitHub for the Hacktoberfest topic. And there are many, many public repos that want or need contributions. So we challenge you to get your pull request in. And good luck and have fun. It's Bob again. Hope you enjoyed that video and that you're one step closer to your first pull request and open source contribution. Let us know what you will be building and contributing to. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss any future videos. And see you in the next video.